Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Today I'm going to share with you all this healthy osmanthus flower jelly recipe. This osmanthus flower jelly is popular among the Chinese and is extremely healthy. Chinese physicians believe that osmanthus flower can help to nourish our liver and kidneys. It helps to detox our body and gives us healthy and smooth looking skin too. Now let us see the steps to make this osmanthus jelly. Ingredients needed: 10 grams of dry osmanthus flower. You can easily buy it at any Chinese herb store or you can buy them online at Amazon too. Brown sugar, jelly powder, and white sugar. Firstly, pour a cup of water into a pot. After that, put 4 tablespoons of white sugar into the pot. Stir the sugar solution and cook using low heat. Pour 10 grams of dry osmanthus flower into the water. Cook for 10 minutes. Pour the osmanthus flower into a bowl and set aside for later use. Pour jelly powder into a pot. Add 7 cups of plain water into the pot slowly. Stir continuously to prevent mixture from forming lumps. After boiling, switch to small flame. Continue to boil and stir for another 3 minutes. Pour the solution inside a container. Put the sweetened osmanthus flower we made before this inside the container. Put the container inside a bigger container filled with ice water to cool down. Stir the solution from time to time to prevent the osmanthus flower from sinking to the bottom. When the solution becomes solidified, put it into the fridge for at least 2 hours as it tastes best when cold. Lastly, we are going to make brown sugar solution. Pour a cup of water into the pot. Put a handful of brown sugar into the pot. Cook it using low heat for 10 minutes. Pour it into a bowl and set it aside for later use. After the jelly becomes more solid in texture, you can take it out. It tastes best when being served cold. Cut the jelly into cubes. It looks so good, right? You can put it into a bowl. After that, add a few spoonfuls of brown sugar solution. Remember, people with high blood sugar problem or diabetes should limit their intake of brown sugar. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.